on Face Good Works, and today I have another review for you. You guys really enjoy my reviews, so thank you so much for that. So today I am going to be reviewing the Honest Beauty Tinted Lip Balm, and it's in the color Plum Drop. Most of my videos, if you've seen them, I do not like to wear lipstick because I feel like it just doesn't look right on me. Normally I put my Burt's Bees lip balm on, and that's all I do. I thought it'd be really neat to get a lip balm that's tinted, and this is from the Honest company. As I said, they're known for having a lot of their clean products, which is how they started. I just got this today. I've been waiting 2 weeks for this. I really wanted to do like a first impressions review. I've heard great things about this, and I just hope that it's as good as people say it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the wrapping. You just peel it off right here, like that. I feel so dumb. Ah! I can't believe it came off. Alright, so this is it out of... This is weird. I don't know why I'm holding it like that. I love it. It looks just like a lipstick. I love the look of lipstick, and like all my lip balms look like lip balms, so they're not cool. Like you're sitting in the restaurant and you're like, oh, I didn't even apply. And it just doesn't look cool because it's a lip balm. People know it's a lip balm. But this, now look at that. Look, it's angled. It has an angle to it. Wow, I like this. This is definitely going in my purse if I like it. Okay, so I'm a little closer, and I have this acne. This is always what happens to me. Always get this junk on my chin when I want to do these videos. So let's put it on my hand first. Looks so beautiful. Like it's just like a natural tint. I'll put like a before and after. I'll put like a before and after. Sorry, I keep on looking at myself instead of at the camera, so sorry. I'm trying to look at you guys, and I think purple looks really nice on me on my lips. It feels, you know, like if you've ever had the Burt's Bees lip balms are really kind of thick. It feels like it's making my lips all nice and smooth. First impressions, this is very nice. I mean, I feel like I would definitely wear this every time I did my makeup, and this is definitely going in my purse, so I have it on hand. I do feel like it would probably wear off after a few hours. It would probably wear off as much as a lip balm would. It'll last a little while, but if you have this in your purse, you can just reapply a little bit. I mean, it's obvious that I have something on my lips, but it's not like shebang. I have the matte lipstick with the gloss over top of it and doing all this stuff. This is so beautiful. Highly recommend. It's super luxurious. It goes on the lips so smooth, and it's angled as I showed you, so you can apply it really easily. It's pretty foolproof. If you get on your skin, you just go and you just rub it with your finger, and it's fine. It's not like those like permanent lipsticks that like stay on your lips. If you try to move it, it has this little smudge there. So it's free shipping in the US, and you can go to Honest Company and get it, except for me, I had to wait 2 weeks in order to get this little thing. It'd probably be smarter to get this at Amazon. It's about the same price, like $9. You can see all the different colors. They have like a watermelon one or like a melon one that's like really sheer. There's like an orange one. There's more of like a red one. So thank you guys for watching so much. I really loved doing this review. They have like 8-9 colors. All of those are beautiful as well. Highly recommend. Go get it if you want a natural, beautiful lip color that's not harsh. Please smash that like button. Please subscribe to my channel. That would be amazing. Have a great day, and I guess God bless.